we're at the airport. We're finally gonna get on the plane and come to Austin to Spinup. Here we are at the airport. All right, everybody. So, see the plane down. Say hi, Bill. Hi, Bill. Say hi, Serge. I see it. You got it. Yo, we're here. We're flying tonight, dude. We're at a parking lot. We're flying. We're with the boys. Pendona. Ed Ricker. Mecklenburg. We got Londonard. Hey, what is it?
I could do with a filter on it, and then we could get light painting. But Sean's trying to get that.
Oh, Sean, right there.
What up?
Hey, we are doing good, man.
Yep, we're looking. Find some FPV guys. Got Ed Ricker right now. He's on. He's ripping right now. I don't know.
You got it.
There it is.
Yep. Nice. Cut.
50 feet high. And I'm shooting straight down just to see what I get.
That's Ed Ricker, guys.
Yeah. Oh, you guys have lights on your drones. It might be interesting. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's you up there straight up.
Shows up. That's the only thing I'm missing.
Yeah.
It worked earlier.
That would be a good time to have the Mavic 3. Like damn Audrey.
You got the polar on that, Ed?
Yeah, it's a polar. It really is awesome out here. Okay, 19.1. We're good.
This song's for the winners, never giving up, never giving in when life gets tough. This song's for the soldiers, never calling quits. Live for the challenge, they can never get enough of this. Song's for the winners, never giving up, never giving in when life gets tough. This song's for the soldiers, never calling quits. Live for the challenge, they can never get enough of this. Once upon a time we were dreaming, now we're on the come up, steady scheming. We ain't got a lot, but you know we believe in what we feel in our hearts. As we reach for the ceiling, they all just frowned and shook their heads. I nodded with a smile and took their bets. Came out on top and they all on the losing end. Nothing turned out how they thought it really should have been. And I ought to thank them for real. Gave me the fire that turned me to steel. If love is more, life is a battlefield. Headed for the sky, wonder how that'll feel. Ready to be living it, making dividends. Winning is a goal and I know that I'm getting it. My rise to the top is getting imminent. Waiting on the challengers, go ahead and send them in. This song's for the winners, never giving up, never giving in when life gets tough. This song's for the soldiers, never calling quits. Live for the challenge, they can never get enough of this. Song's for the winners, never giving up, never giving in when life gets tough. This song's for the soldiers, never calling quits. Live for the challenge, they can never get enough of this. I can see the sun's rays and they're parting the clouds. My path is so clear and I'm walking it now. I think all the haters are starting to doubt why they hated in the first place. It's hard to figure out where all of that came from. It's a shame, son, could've come along, but you're digging your grave. Someday we can say set aside our differences.
Oh, that's what I was saying. I thought you might want to get that orbit if I might look cool if you want to latch onto it smaller.
Yeah, but no stabilization is definitely a way to go for this. It's like, it's wide enough to where you can stay stable.
Sorry about that.
Okay, no.
It's all about.
Marcus, Ron.
And the thing is,
Welcome.
that you were doing.
Welcome to Texas. Your first time in Texas. You were here in Texas.
I was first time in Texas, Austin. I wasn't in Houston before though.
Okay.
That's where I grew up.
Thank you for Houston.
Yeah,
Is that you beat?
we have, you know, we have Houston and Idaho.
Why did that battery give me a low battery just then? Yeah.
Did you just fly early?
Yeah, but that battery went dead, and then I think I had to properly.
How did it look at night?
I don't know. I can't see it. Y'all tell me. It's far enough.
That's the Nazgul Evo.
Hey, but I'm talking about. I thought when I first flew it, it was getting dust. But like here in the parking lot, I think it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here in a parking lot like this here. Yeah.